Hello children, today I am going to teach you letters, words and pictures. Right? Now here there are letters here. We have to find a picture and the name of the picture. Okay? Now here letter U. This is letter T. This is letter S. And here letter Q. Here letter R. Here the letter O. Here capital letter. Here simple letter. Here capital letter and here simple letter. All have capitals and simples. We'll read again. Capital U, simple U. Capital T, simple T. Capital S, simple S. Capital Q, simple Q. Capital R, simple R. Capital O, simple O. Now what we have to do? I am going to find the picture, right? Now the first one is U. For U for umbrella. Yes, U for umbrella. Here, this is umbrella. U for umbrella. Here, U for umbrella. Now we have to find the word umbrella. Here look. Now here the word umbrella. Right? U for umbrella and here the word umbrella. Letter U. Here the picture umbrella and the word umbrella. Right? Now the next one, letter T. Letter T. T for, yes, T for turtle. T for turtle. Here. T for turtle. Now here the word turtle. Turtle. T for turtle and the word here turtle. Now the next letter, letter S. Letter S. S for, you see what is this? S for snake. S for snake. Here. Sit here. Snake. What is this? S for snake. S for snake. Now we will find the word snake. Look. Snake. S for snake. And here the word snake. Right? Now we will go to the next one. Here the letter Q. What's the letter? Q. Q for, who is this? Here, queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Here the word queen. Q for queen and here the word queen. Right? Now the next one, R. What is this? The letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Here look. I'm going to fix it here. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Now hear the word rabbit. R for rabbit and the word rabbit. Then the last letter O. What is the letter? O. O for orange. What's the letter? What's the picture? O for orange. Here. O for orange. O for orange. Orange, here the word orange, right? The last one here, look. O for orange, the word orange. Now we'll read again and see how the letter and the picture and the word, right? Now here, U, umbrella, umbrella. T, turtle, turtle. S, snake, snake. Q, queen, queen. R, rabbit, rabbit. O, orange, orange. Here the words, here the pictures and here letters. Okay. Thank you for listening, children. I'll come with another letters, pictures and words. Thank you for listening.